Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney from Goldman and Associates, the director and founder of the firm. We have a primary focus on family law, so please subscribe to our channel. What are you going to do if somebody sues you regarding the ownership of a property? Now that can happen because even though you think you are the owner of a property because you have a deed or some such thing, it is possible that litigation can ensue. For example, if you have property by virtue of a deed that's never been recorded, you don't have to record a deed in order to have you to be the owner. You just have to have the tendered to you. But without a record that the property is yours, it's possible that other ownership claims can come up, and then you have to have a litigation about this. If you do nothing, if you don't react to a lawsuit to quiet title to a property, you could lose that property by default. The results could be devastating. So if this happens, what you got to do is you got to go to your lawyer, okay? You got to give him the papers that you've been sued. He's got to answer it within a certain amount of days, typically 21. Now, he's going to answer it, and he's going to file a counterclaim on your behalf, asserting your ownership, and asserting your ownership based on what? Based on whatever evidence you have that supports that the property is yours. He or she will do this, and then the court will have to make determinations. A lot of times when you're talking about the title in a property, sometimes the dispute is, yeah, you have a deed, but it's a forgery. It's not authentic. You defrauded me, that kind of thing. But typically, deeds are signed in front of witnesses. There's a notary. There's a notary stamp. There are ways to track it down. So in a situation like that where you have a deed, if the deed is in question, there's usually supporting people who are there who may be still alive and available and in business who can support the claim. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.